Chapter 2 Polynomials. Last class we have seen that factorization of quadratic polynomial. Today we are going to learn about factorization of cubic polynomials, that means degree 1. Last class you have seen that a quadratic polynomial degree 2, so the number of factors also 2 we have got there. Now here 3 is the degree, so how many factors we are going to get? 3 only. So here step is a little bit long only, lengthy only, so see the carefully and you can learn it easily. So the first step is that coefficient of x cube is 1 and the constant is 6 only. So the 6 factors we are taking. What are the factors of 6 here? Factors of 6 equal to 1 means 6 will come, 2 means 3 will come. Now again we have to give plus or minus sign. So that means plus 1 minus 1, plus 2 minus 2, plus 3 minus 3, then plus 6 and minus 6. Now the first step is that these values we have to put in this given polynomial. So we will take, let p of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. This is our polynomial. We named polynomial as p of x. So the solution start from here, right? Okay, now p of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now factors of the 6 we have taken. Now the trial and error method we are finding the values. So p of 1 I am trying. So 1 cube minus 6 into 1 square plus 11 into 1 minus 6. So what is the value? 1 minus 6 plus 11 minus 6. 11 plus 1 12. 12 minus 12 equal to 0. This implies, remembering factor theorem, x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Okay, this is the first step of the question. First step of the solution means we should identify the factors of the constant part and then give plus minus values. Use trial and error method. Value of the polynomial we should calculate. Luckily we got in first step only, we got the 0. So that means x minus 1 is the factor. So this is the first step. Now second step, we should divide p of x by x minus 1. Which factor you got, use that one as a divisor. So p of x is divided by x minus 1. Our normal division only. P of x is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Okay, what is the divisor now? X minus 1. So usually we know that x cube by x, the first term, x cube by x, so it will be x square. Now multiply each term, x cube minus x square. Subtraction, so minus sign, minus will become plus, so x cube will get cancelled. Minus 6x square and plus x square, it is minus 5x square. Plus 11x is the next term. Again minus 5x square by x, right? X is the first term. So here what we will get a minus 5x. So right here minus 5x. Again multiplying minus 5x square. Minus 5x and plus 1, it is, sorry, minus 5x into minus 1, it is plus 5x. Here plus, again cancel, plus will become minus. 11 minus 5x is 6x. The next digit means next number is 6 only. So 6x by x equal to 6. So here plus 6. So multiply 6 into x, 6x. 6 into minus 1, minus 6. Change your sign. So it will get cancelled, you will get the answer 0. This is the second step. So what is the second step? We should got x minus 1 is a factor by trial and error method. Using this x minus 1 as a divisor, we are dividing p of x divided by x minus 1. So quotient we are getting x square minus 5x plus 6. Since we have written a factor, definitely the remainder equal to 0. If you are not getting 0 as the remainder, you can understand that there only you have done some error. So we have done the second step and we got x square minus 5x plus 6 as the quotient. Now what is the third part of this question? By division algorithm, you know that we can write p of x, that is x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Either you write this term here or we can just write p of x equal to, because we already named p of x here. So p of x equal to x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Now what is the divisor we have used here? X minus 1. So x minus 1 into quotient. Quotient is x square minus 5x plus 6. X minus 1 no change, it will be continued. Now x square minus 5x plus 6 to be factorized using quadratic polynomial, that is splitting the middle term. So what is the product here? 6 only. The factors are 3 and 2. Now the middle term sign is minus, so greater number is minus. Again this also minus. So we have to write x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. Right? Now continue this one, x minus 1, next bracket, x common, x minus 3, minus 2 common, x minus 3. So x minus 1 into x minus 3, among this term which is common term x minus 3. So what is the remaining term? X minus 2. So how many factors you got now? 3 factors. So degree is 3, you got 3 factors. So product of the numbers we got, the product of the algebraic expressions we got, so it is factorized form. So what is the answer? The factors are x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. Factors are x minus 1, x minus 2 and x minus 3. So once again, how many steps are there? We can divide this solution into 3 parts. The first part is trial and error method. So we are calculating the factor, one of the factor. What is the second step? Division algorithm property, that is this. What is the third part? Quadratic polynomial. Splitting middle term. These are the 3 steps for doing this sum. So it is lengthy only, but it is easy. While doing the sums you can learn this one. Again I'll repeat, because the constant is 6, write the factors of 6. Then give plus or minus like this. All these values you can try here. One of the value, whenever we are getting 0, there we can stop. Luckily we got in the first step for this question, p of 1 equal to 1 cube minus 6 in plus 11 minus 6, that is 12 minus 12 equal to 0. This implies x minus 1 is a factor of p of x. Now what is the second step? P of x to be divided by x minus 1. So we know the division algorithm or normal long division method of the polynomial. So we are doing the division. So since it is a factor is written, your remainder will be equal to 0 only. Now the division algorithm rule, p of x equal to g of x into q of x plus r of x. Since r of x is 0, there is no need of writing anything. So x minus 1 into x square minus 5x plus 6. Since we got only one factor, 2 more factors we required. So which method to be followed here? That is the third step, quadratic polynomial factorization. So splitting middle term we have used. So we are getting x minus 1 into x minus 3 into x minus 2 are the factors of x cube minus 6x square plus 11x minus 6. Second question, factorize 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. First we have to consider the factors of the constant 30. You have to consider 2 also, but it is for rational roots only. You have to learn about integral roots, that is integer. So we will consider first 30. If you are not getting the answer for 0, we will go for the other rule. So here 30 we are considering. The factors of 30, that is the solution starts here, right? Okay, factors of 30 equal to plus or minus 1, plus or minus 2, plus or minus 3, plus or minus 5, like that it will go. Now we are taking p of x is the question. So p of x equal to 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. right? We have to name the polynomial first. Since x is the variable, p of x is we have taken 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. Now we should use these values for polynomials. So p of 1 I am doing. So 2 into 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square minus 17 into 1 plus 30. So 2 minus 3 minus 17 plus 30. So you know that 17 and 3 it is 20 only. So 20 and minus 20 and plus 30 it will not be equal to 0. So we cannot take this as a factor. So now minus 1 we are trying. So 2 into minus 1 cube minus 3 into minus 1 square minus 17 into minus 1 plus 30. What will happen here? Minus 2 minus 3 plus 17 and plus 30. So 30 plus 17, 47. Again it will not get cancelled, not equal to 0. Next value, p of 2. 2 into 2 cube minus 3 into 2 square minus 17 into 2 plus 30. So 2 cube is 8, 8 into 2 16, 4 into 3 that is 12 minus 34 plus 30. 30 and 16 46. 12 and 34 again 46 equal to 0. So what is the conclusion here? This implies x minus 2 is a factor. X minus 2 is a factor of p of x. What is the second step? So only the first step is over. P of x to be divided by x minus 2. This is the second step. Okay, now we are taking down the polynomial and the divisor is x minus 2 only. Polynomial is 2x cube minus 3x square minus 17x plus 30. What is the first term? 2x cube. So 2x cube by x, it is equal to 2x square, right? So 2x square we are writing here and multiplying with each term. So 2x cube minus 4x square, right? 2x square into 2, that is 4x square. Since minus sign is there, minus 4x square. Plus and minus cancel. Minus will become plus. So your answer is x square minus 17x. So x square is the first term now. So x square to be divided by x, it is equal to x. So here what will write here? Plus x, right? Now multiply x square minus 2x. Here change your sign, it will get cancelled. Minus 2 will become plus 2. So minus 15x plus 30. So what is the first term of the dividend now? Minus 15x. So minus 15x divided by x, it is equal to minus 15. So I'll write in the quotient minus 15. Again multiply minus 15x plus 30. Change your sign. This will be minus. Again everything will get cancelled. You will get the remainder is 0. Since we have written x minus 2 is the factor, definitely we should get, what is the remainder? 0 only. Here we got the remainder as 0. Now the third part. What is the third part? We should write as a, using division algorithm, we should write the p of x. What is the p of x? Now I am not writing the polynomial because I have already named this polynomial as a p of x. So that is why we are telling the step like this, so we can reduce the time. Otherwise again you have to list out the polynomial, that's all. P of x equal to, what is the g of x? X minus 2, and the quotient is 2x square plus x minus 15. Remainder is 0 only. No need of writing that one. Now what is the next step? Already one factor we got. We need 2 more factors. So x minus 2 will be continued like this, and this we should divide using splitting middle term. We should factorize. So what is the product now? Minus 30. Minus 30, where we have to get the sum as 1. So 6 and 5 we are writing. 6 and 5 is 30. So middle term sign is plus. So greater number is plus. And this will be minus. So check that one. Sum equal to plus 1. And the product is equal to minus 30 only. So now square bracket starts. 2x square no change. This x to be written as plus 6x and minus 5x minus 15. So x minus 2 square bracket again. What is common from here? 2x. Right? What is common from here? 2x. So what is the remaining terms? X plus 3. Again minus 5 we can take common. What is the remaining terms? X plus 3. So x minus 2 will continue here. What is the common factor here? That is x plus 3. Again the remaining terms are 2x minus 5. So how many factors you got here? 3. X minus 2, x plus 3 and 2x minus 5. So the degree is 3 and the possibility of getting the factors also 3 only, depending upon the degree. Last class quadratic was there, so we got by splitting middle term 2 factors. Here we are getting 3 factors. Again I'll explain the steps now. The first part is that we should find a factor. For factor, what we should see, constant factors we should take, constant numbers factors to be taken down. Then trial and error method, we should find that which number is the factor for that one. We got x minus 2 is the factor for p of x. That is the first part. What is the second part? P of x to be divided by x minus 2. So long division method or the polynomial we have done. Then checking part, remainder should be equal to 0. What is the third? Use p of x in terms of division algorithm of the polynomial. Still we have 1 0 only. We need 2 more zeros. So the second bracket, that is 2x square plus x minus 15, to be factorized by the method of splitting middle term. So we have got 2 factors here. So totally 3 factors we got. These are the 3 parts. You should not skip the steps. Everything is explained here. The same procedure only you should follow. So x minus 2, x plus 3 and 2x minus 5. For your understanding purpose, I am marking this as the first part. Right? Up to here. And this is the second. Now this is the third. No need of writing 1 2 3 there. This is for your understanding. Not required to repeat like this each and everywhere 1 2 3. I don't want to see in the notebook and all. So write like this. This step I have shown for your convenient only, nothing else. Already 2 questions only we have completed here because it is lengthy. So I am winding up and giving a question for you as a practice only. You have to do in classwork. The question is, factorize x cube plus 13x square plus 32x plus 20. And the solution is x plus 1, x plus 2 and x plus 10. So this is a practice question only. You complete in your homework.